Gay rights advocate Maurice Tomlinson lost his legal battle against Television Jamaica and CVM TV in the Court of Appeal today. Mr. Tomlinson sued the stations after they refused to air material promoting tolerance towards homosexuals.
Jamaica isn't insulated. This is something that's
not satisfied with the 2013 Supreme Court ruling, which found that neither TVJ nor CVM breached the Constitution for refusing to air video promoting tolerance for gays, activist Maurice Tomlinson was hopeful that the Court of Appeal would have overturned the ruling. He'd been arguing that the refusal by the TV stations was tantamount to a violation of his constitutional right to freedom of speech under the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. The appeal court on Friday, however, unanimously dismissed the appeal and upheld the Supreme Court's 2013 ruling on the matter. In the judgment, Justice Phillips stated that Mr. Tomlinson's right to freedom of expression and the right to distribute or disseminate information, opinions, and ideas does not give him the right to use someone else's property to publish his advertisement. Justice Phillips further concluded that the stations have an equal right to use their own platforms to disseminate the ideas they want to share with the public. Forcing them to carry Mr. Tomlinson's message would breach their rights. Mr. Tomlinson has been ordered to pay 60% of TVJ's costs of the appeal to be agreed or taxed.